When you need serious protection for high-powered systems, an insulated case breaker gets the job done. These are heavy-duty, two-step stored energy breakers built to handle high current. At Southland, we keep thousands of insulated case breakers in stock, ready to go, built to your spec, and out the door in 24 hours. We've even sent them by airplane to keep our customers up and running. You can choose fixed or draw-out models, electrically or manually operated with solid-state trips that give you full control. They can handle from 800 to 5,000 amps, and they can be metered locally or remotely. We carry trusted names like Square D Schneider, General Electric ABB, Eaton, Magnum, and Siemens WL. If you're in a bind and you want a solid breaker you can trust, call Southland. We've got what you need when you need it.